housed within the School of Manufacturing is electronics, biomedical device assembly, laser and optics technology, machining, and welding. Each of these programs help to move the manufacturing industry along to be able to produce goods and for people to actually purchase. In the electronics program, the program has been recently revamped with industry input, specifically from companies like Astronics that help to actually build some power systems for aerospace industry. As the program was revamped, it also took into account telecommunications, housing fiber optics, and aspects of the electronics industry that we hadn't previously done before. In the lasers and optics program, we have industry partners such as NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab, the National Laboratory Lawrence Livermore, companies such as Access Laser and Synrad Laser. These produce really high-level technicians to be able to either work at a laboratory and or a place of business such as Microsoft, SpaceX, and or Blue Origin to be able to work on lasers and be able to provide testing with lasers. The program of machining, the students will get to learn about creating parts. The skill sets that students would learn is very hands-on. If you like to actually build things with your hands and actually create something at the end, or you feel a sense of accomplishment by doing that, this would be a great program. The welding program is very similar in the sense that you're creating something from a concept all the way to producing an actual product or widget, so to speak. The nice piece with welding is that we're expanding the fabrication lab to be able to house the skills to students to actually learn the lean manufacturing processes that industry uses, but also to be able to fabricate something from the conception to design to actual production of an actual piece. During the instruction, faculty have their eye on what the industry is requiring, and they teach to students being able to take certificates later on, such as for WABO certification, IPC certification, or automotive service excellence testing.